Alright guys, so before we continue with this day in the life, you guys are going to notice a difference in the quality of this video compared to any of my other videos because I am currently filming with the iPhone. My Canon G7X gave out on me. It doesn't want to turn on at all. Look, I got a memory card in there, got a battery, pressed the on and off button, and nothing. At first it was kind of like the screen was just, it had like these lines. I don't know how to explain it, but it had like these colorful lines, and like it made me mad because, you know, it just didn't want to turn on. So I kind of like banged the shit out of it. I was just like doing that, and that's probably what made it fully give out. But either way, it was not working. I tried so long just messing with it, trying to get it to work, but unfortunately it's done. So yeah, as some of you guys know, I had decided I wanted to take a break from YouTube, and because of that, I didn't know if I should go down to Best Buy and purchase a new camera. Because yeah, if I decide that I don't want to do YouTube consistently the way I was, you know, uploading weekly, then there's no point of me going down there and buying a whole new setup when I can just be using my phone and my GoPro. But if I decide that I want to, you know, go back to uploading weekly, then I'm gonna go ahead and purchase a new camera. I actually had a work-related injury, which is the main reason why, you know, I haven't skated in like over a month. In the session in this video, I'm just gonna be taking it easy. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. I just kind of like get my body back into it. It is my first time skating since that injury. Gonna be taking it easy, but either way, you know, I'm just gonna have fun and try and get some clips. guys are on the GoPro right now, I'm gonna strap you on to my side view mirror. So while I drive to go get some lunch, you guys enjoy this B-roll. So as you guys saw, I got some Bill Miller's barbecue. Every time I go to Bill Miller's, I have the same order. It's the poor boy, the #1 extra lean with no sauce, because fuck that. That sauce is nasty as fuck. And some fries on the side with, of course, to top it off, a nice cold sweet tea. So yeah, guys, all right, but like I said, today it's my first day back. I'm basically just supposed to be taking it easy, which is what I'm doing, you know, nothing too crazy. That's why I'm here at another skate park, because the session this morning at Martinez was not enough for me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lunch, and then I'm gonna see you guys at the skate park. I don't know why, but before I do my outro, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I always like take off my hat and kind of like do a little hair fix and then put it back on. But yeah, anyways, a pretty good first day back. The only one thing is, after like being on my legs and my feet for a while, my knee starts to bother me. Like, it starts hurting a little bit. So that's why I had to like take a lot of breaks more than usual and like cut the sessions, both sessions super short. But either way, you know, it feels good to be back on my board. With all that being said, guys, thank you all for watching this video. See, like, I'm trying to really get used to it. I'm not used to vlogging with the iPhone. Like, my hand keeps getting right here in front of the screen. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, if you're new, subscribe, and I will see y'all for the next video. I'm out. Peace.